Welcome to Nick Sali channel. Like and hit notification bell for more updates. Welcome to BICOL Region. All you need to know about BICOL. Their mysterious island. BICOL is a region in the Philippines encompassing the southern part of Luzon Island and nearby island provinces. Caramon, a peninsula in the east, is dotted with caves, limestone cliffs, and white sand beaches. The adventures. Nearby, Catanduanes Island has mountains, waterfalls, and coral reefs. Donsal, in Thuist, is home to whale sharks. A place nowhere to go. The region's active volcanoes include Bulusan Volcano and Mayon Volcano. As we wait for the day to travel once again, discover the wonders that await you in our 7,641 islands from the comfort of your home. Stay at home, dream, and wake up in the Philippines. The activity most people associate with this part of the world, but there's plenty more outdoorsy fun to be had in the BICOL region, both on the water and on land. And when you need to relax, there's a lot of scope for that on the white sand beaches. Their lifestyle. They are largely an agricultural and rural people, producing rice, coconuts, hemp, and spices. BICOL is also famed for its spicy food, which is based largely on coconut, and chilies as evidenced in the likes of gulay na lata or BICOL Express. Other dishes not to miss are lying taro leaves with meat or seafood in coconut milk, spiced with chili, lemongrass, and more, and local specialties. Festival. Tinagba Festival, Iriga City, February. A harvest Thanksgiving including parades, street dancing, and sporting challenges. Ibalong Festival. Legazpi Augusta celebration of a local legend, with masked and costumed reconstructions of classic battles. Be part of the fun in BICOL. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.